Welcome, guys. Sorry, we last time we kind of died, and yeah, from Angler. No, I'm not buying. I need money too, bro. Bro, you don't need 2 crossbows. I can buy you a stun grenade though. Oh. Daisy. Yo, here's a free MRE. Here's a free MRE. Yeah, come, get it. Come get it. Trick. Rip. Let me get you one. There's one right here. There's one right here. Daisy J. Let's go. The speed run starts in 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Angler. We need you. I can't. I have nothing. Oh, I have 2 big flashlights. You missed! Oh my god, I can't do! Get up here! You died? Shoot, you died! Angler's on me! Bro, Angler's on me! Angler is gatekeeping your crossbow. Shit. How is he not seeing us? Where's your crossbow? Where are you? Get up here! God dang it. Wait, drop your crossbow. Oh my god! He's following me. Help me. Angler's at spawn! He's at spawn, help me! I killed him. Who's here? Oh. Where'd you go? I got you, bro. Wait, what? Hey, what? I got you. I got a landmine. I'm in the mountain. I'm out in the mountain. I killed him. What? Where? Where are you? I don't see you. Wait, what? Wait. Oh, he died. No, just, you're fine. We're fine. We're fine. We can just get past the red light, green light. Bro, come to here. There's still a speed run. Come fast. Come fast. Come fast. Just get over here, bro. No one cares. No one cares. Just come here. He's coming, bro. Get over here. Brother. Get over here. I don't know. Where's an angler? Don't care. I don't know. Let's go, let's go, 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 go. Angler? Where is he? It's a landmine. Get over here, angler! Get over here! Get over here! Skibidi got that. Where's it? Where's the big thing? I got a shotgun! Go! I got a shotgun! I got one more bullet on my shotgun. Okay, I got you. I got a shotgun, so I think we're good. No, we can't. Yeah. Oh God! No! No, I don't. What the? Where are you? I'm over here. Yeah, we're going that way. This way. Yeah, this way. Parkour. It doesn't. It hurts your flashlight. Yeah, it makes your flashlight go off. I don't know. Bro got flashbangs. Grenade! 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 Grenade out. Where are you? Where are you? You're in there? What's in there? Oh God, that's a bad guy. That's a bad guy. That's bad. I'm stuck. Where are you? Help me, bro. Help me. I'm stuck. I'm dead. Is that Angler? Angler. Angler just killed me. Hey, bro, what the fuck? Oh, another grenade. Where is it? Bro, where are you? We need... Yo, where's the grenade? Yo, if Angler comes... If Angler comes... I don't know, no. If Angler comes, Kazi, calm me yourself. If Angler comes, blow this up right next to it. This is just me. Where is it? Where are you? Bases is waiting. Whoa, girl. No, you don't. No. Whoa, that's bad. Another grenade. Key? No. Get out of here, big light. No. I got that. Oh god. Wait, no, help me. I don't know. Oh, every night, go. Go. The big flashlight doesn't do anything. Wait, what? No. Oh god dang! Look at flying. Ah! Come on, sure. Wait, hold on. Wait, stay here. Hold up. Why is there... Angler's not here. Wee-hee! Oh god! Those like... Where's my big flashlight? My big flashlight! No! I dropped my big flashlight. Go! Get in! Fat shotgun, you're not good. Rip. No! Ray gun! Let's go! Ow. Let's go! Ray gun speed on. Do blue. Okay, let's go. Same. Oh yeah. Yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna sell everything in my backpack except my revolver. No. I have so many big flashlights. I have like 3. I have 2. Oh shoot. Oh, it's a ray gun. We about to get so much money. I'm in the thick of it, everybody knows. So I'll get it and they go. I don't know nothing in this, I'm just going 40-something on this road. Free ray gun! Wait. Yeah, here. Bo. Get blinded. What the? Yo, you want to get blinded for 2 seconds? Rocket. 1 rocket. What'd you buy? Oh, I need speed boost too. Hold on. Let's go! Second trip. Ray gun. I'm in the thick of it. Everybody knows. They want me when they still ask it in and they goes. Where are you? Use blue. Use the blue on the ray gun. Use blue on ray gun. Yeah, use the blue one. You press the button where you open your thing. Where you open your Yeah, you're on blue. Yeah, it makes you go towards your thing. It makes you go towards your thing. So if you just do that. Yeah. And red is to pick up things. Oh my days. Yeah, it is. I don't know nothing. I just go. Where? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Shoot. Where are you? You're stuck. You're stuck. Okay, it can only spawn in here. It can only spawn in here, I think. Wait, where did we find the key? This way? Woman! We found the key that way, so we go this way. Woman! Oh my days. You sure? Whoa! Nothing? Where's the woman? Where's the woman? Woman! I hate women. I hate that woman. Same. Hi everybody, I'm Mark. Oh my god, scary guy, scary girl, scary woman. Key? No. Shoot. Nope. No. Oh god, no, 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 no. I don't know. Don't go through it though. I don't know. I think we went the wrong way. Frick. Ah! Woman! 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 Go, 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 go! Woman! I see scary woman! Woman's gonna get me. Go, 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 go! Yes! No woman! Woman! Ah! Woman! 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 Get out! Get out! Woman! There's woman! There's a woman here! Woman. Same. Go down. You die? Where my big flashlight is? Where's my big flashlight? Big! Biggie! Big! 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 Big flashlight! Big flashlight! Why? Okay, fine. Hold up, hold up, hold up. I got big flashlight! I got big flashlight! I got a lot of stuff!
Did you get anything?
I got a lot of stuff! Yo, what's up? Nah, just full blue into the portal!
Jeez, I didn't get anything.
I got some stuff.
Do we have to make a third?
Do we have to make a third trip, Logan?
Do we want money?
Yeah.
Yeah, then. Okay, so empty out your thing. It's too bright on this one.
Emptied out? I literally only had a red flashlight. I only had a red
Good,
flashlight.
that's really good because you have more.
Wait,
stuff.
actually, I'm gonna sell the red. I'm gonna sell the red.
Sell the red. Sell the red. Sell the red. I'm gonna put this revolver in your backpack. Don't
Mine! Not mine!
Why? Okay. When you see the gems,
Cause I'm gonna die quicker.
when you get to the thing, stay in place. So you have to red the gems and then blue into your backpack.
Okay. Go, go, go!
Go, 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 go! We gotta go! Go, go! Go, 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 go! supreme light almost killed me. I'm here.
Out of all the things, really.
Help me! Help! Billy! 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 Go! 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 Is Angler gonna come?
Which way?
Oh wait, we have to go into another server because you can't get two things.
Okay, then let's go back to spawn and then let's put these in our backpack.
Okay. Okay, let me put the. Whoa! Scary lady, I guess. How did he die? How did he die? Shoot. Billy died.
Logan, I need you to just grab him. I just need you. Okay, I need you to stay there, and I'm gonna come back. I'm just gonna grab my backpack and my light and the ray gun. Okay. Hello?
Oh shoot. Nah, I got you.
Speak to me.
I got you, bro. I got you.
Where's all my stuff?
Go back to spawn. Go back to spawn. I got it. I got it.
Wait. Do you have my backpack and my?
Yes, I have it all in your backpack.
Where's the?
I'm at spawn. I'm at spawn.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to spawn. Bro, I don't know where big flash. Didn't see it.
I got your bag. I got your big flashlight and your ray gun in your backpack.
Yo,
I got you,
you're
bro.
such a. Wait. Is my ray gun in here with my
Yes.
biggie?
Yes.
You are so good at this game.
For real.
Okay, I got a rocket. Got a rocket.
Bat 1, 2, 3, 4.
Bat 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, shoot, it's enabled. Join. No. Join now. Friends. Oh, in.
Yo.
In. Where'd your
Is this a
backpack go?
PvP? No.
Where'd your backpack go?
It disappeared!
No, where'd it go? Did you drop it?
I didn't drop it, no!
Oh,
It's not gonna be in the old code.
For real.
We gotta get that crap back.
For real, bro. How
So
about
we
MRE?
gotta
Come
make
on,
it. Wait, hold on.
I have two.
Give me
take my
one
ray gun.
MRE.
Take my ray gun. Take my ray gun. I don't need it. Take my
Wait, I'm
revolver
gonna keep
too.
the MRE.
Take my
I'm not-
revolver.
Are you sure I die first?
Don't care. I literally
If you lose your
don't
revolver,
care.
if you lose your revolver, it's my fault. Okay.
Yep.
Wait, is this on blue? Yeah.
Oh my days. Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! I'm in.
Going in.
Oh shoot, we need a big flashlight. Shoot.
I don't
We have
have
big
one.
flashlights. Yeah.
I don't have anything. Damn it.
Flashlight? Flashbang!
What's that gonna do? Dude.
Ah! Cracker.
Dude, where's Key?
Big boy?
I definitely feel like we should go back to get a biggie.
Where'd you put my? You can't. Key!
Go, 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 go! Oh my
Red.
gosh.
I need on red. I'm stuck. Wow, I'm stuck. backpack's probably gone.
Well, we can get a new one, but your revolver's in there.
Oh my god, really? Bro, what happened?
Should we try to go find it?
Wait, did you drop it?
I may have dropped it up there.
You dropped up there? Bro, Bentley, you almost killed me! It's probably on one of those squares. Now just find wall though, be like... Don't let me die. What the frick? Okay, where did it go? Kill? Oh. I was about to die.
I am at the top now, looking for my... It's not here.
Oh god dang it.
New one, I'm so sorry about your revolver.
Yeah, I really don't care though.
I told you not to trust me though.
Yeah, but I really didn't want that revolver.
It was taken up speed.
Yeah.
It's not even, but it wasn't.
Just get down, just get down.
Well,
No, thank you
Sister
so
Perfect.
much. My VR's low.
What?
My VR's low. We have to do another trip fast because my VR's low.
Yo.
Just made us bank. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? My headset's very low. Let's go to the sewers. Let's go to the sewers.
I'm trying to sell something. Hold on.
Just touch everybody and that's gray. Okay, let's go. Go, 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 go. No, over here, not over there. Bentley, where are you?
I found my backpack.
Oh, shoot. Revolver.
Let's go. I think that's the only thing in there.
Okay, bro, Bentley, we gotta go. My headset's at 5%. Let's go this way.
Wait,
Let's go this way now.
wait, actually, I want to do that tomorrow.
Nah, let's just do it. Let's just do it now.
I have to get off.
I don't
Okay.
care. Let's just do it
Okay,
fast.
let's go. If your headset's 5% and you die like right now, I don't know where to go.
I don't know where to go.
It's over here.
Are there easier monsters or harder?
I don't know.
Have you ever been down?
Yes.
So do you know how to beat it?
Yes. Why is there turkeys here? Scare them.
I don't know where to go.
Over here, Bentley. Bentley,
I didn't think to buy
don't
a
touch the
flashlight.
tentacles. Don't touch the tentacles. The big, long, red things, don't touch them. They will kill you.
If I touch them, will I die instantly?
Oh, yes. How do we not die?
There's a tentacle right behind you. Be careful. Stop shooting me. You're...
Oh, God.
Dude, stop. Where do we go? Where do we go? Help.
I don't know.
Dude, I don't know where to go.
Go, go, go. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. God dang.
Where
Where are you? Where are you?
I'm over here. We went the wrong way. We went the wrong way.
You want
Don't touch
wrong
the
way?
tentacles.
I'm trying.
Don't
I'm
touch
about
the
to
tentacles.
touch it.
Oh my God.
Where do we go?
You die?
I can't see.
Same. My headset's at 3%.
You have a flashlight.
No, we don't.
Where do we go?
Bro, I don't know. Wait, what? only way?
Wait, I'm gonna leave. Wait, I'm gonna do this tomorrow.
This is the wrong way. I found the right way. I found the right way. I found the right way.
Really?
Where are
Yeah,
you?
I found the right way. It's in the.
Where are you?
Go to the tentacle thing. Go to the tentacle thing.
Okay. I'm at it,
Go
I'm
over
at
to the
it.
tentacle thing. Go.
Holy. Oh my god, I almost hit it. I almost just hit the tentacle.
Okay, come. There's more tentacles. You go this way. Blue! I found the sewers. Where are you? Blue! Shoot! No, Belly, no. Shit. I'm gonna leave. You'll get your stuff.
What?
I am going to leave. You will get your stuff. So when we play this next time, you will get your stuff.
Do you have my ray gun
Yes, I got everything.
and the revolver? Just
Yes.
okay.